Hello everyone and welcome to Python tutorial for beginners. In this video, I'm going to explain you what are the different operators present inside Python. Now, first of all, I'm going to start with arithmetic operators. As name indicate, arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operation. Now, I'm going to explain each and every arithmetic operators present inside Python. Now take one example here. Just write down x is equals to suppose 15 and y is equals to 4. Now I'm going to perform different operations on these two variable, x variable and y variable. The value of x variable is 15 and the value of y variable is what? 4. Now I'm going to perform first of all addition. So first operator is called which one? Addition operator. So I'm going to write down print. Here I'm going to write down the string like x plus y. Now this is the first operator that is called addition operator. So when I write x plus y, that will perform the addition of what? Two variable values. So here this is only string display and this is the what actual operation. So this plus operator perform addition of these two variable values x plus y. So when I execute this one, it will display the addition of these two numbers. That is what x plus y is equals to which one? 19. That is the first arithmetic operator. Second arithmetic operator I want to explain, that is called subtraction operator. So just write down double quote here x minus y. Then this is only string. Here I don't actual operation that is called x minus y. That will subtract what y value from the x value. So whatever the subtraction that is printed to the output, 15 minus 4. So output is equals to which one? 11. So check out output is equals to 11. That is the second operator. Third operator I want to explain, that is called multiplication operation. Just write down here what? X multiply by y, then colon, comma, x multiply by y. So this is the actual operation. It will perform the multiplication of these two numbers. That is 15 multiplied by 4 is equals to which one? 60. Now here in Python, there are two division operation. One is division operation which give always result in float. One division operator which always give output in which one? Integer format. So I'm going to explain this one. Check out here. First operator, double quote, plus division operator indicated by single slash. You can say forward slash y. Now this operator always give output in float format. So 15 divided by 4, x by 4. Sorry, not 4, just write down y. Now when I execute this one, you will get output in the format of float. Check out 3.75. Just I forgot write colon here. Now take another division operation. So just write down double slash here. That is another division operator. And here write down division operator. Now what is the difference between these two? This division operator always give result in the format of float. This division operator always give output in the format of what? Integer. So when I execute this one, check out the output of this operator, division operator, is what? 3. That is in the format of integer. The output of this division operator is which one? 3.75. So what is the point you have to remember here? If you know your required output in the format of float, then use which one? Single slash. If you know output required in the integer format, then use which one? Double slash. Now next operator I want to explain, that is called power operator. So just write down print in double quote x double star act as a power operator. So x raised to y, that operation can be performed by using which one? Double star. So write down here x double star y. So 15 raised to 4. So that power value printed here, that is called 50625. That is the value of which one? 15 raised to what? 4. So these are the basic arithmetic operators available inside which one? Python. Now, second group I want to explain, that is called comparison operators. So I'm going to remove this one. So here I'm going to explain comparison operator. So comparison operators are used to compare the two values. Suppose you want to find out the relation between two values, whether these two values are equal, less than or greater than, then we have to use which one? Comparison operator. So for this example, I'm going to write down x is equals to 10, then y is equals to 2. These are the two values, two variable. I want to find out the what relation between these two. So check out here, I'm going to explain one by one. First of all, I'm going to explain x greater than y. Now remember one point here, the output of comparison operator is always true or false. If that condition is satisfied, then output is what? True. If that condition is not satisfied, then output is what? False. Now here I'm writing x is greater than y, and here I'm going to write down actual expression x is greater than y. Now, if the value of x is greater than y, then this operator will return the true value. So here in this example, the value of x is 10 and value of y is 2. So this condition is satisfied. So it will return the true value. Check out here. The output of this one is which one? True. So remember, the output of comparison operator is always either true or either false. Now take out second example. So second operator, that is called less than. Instead of greater than, write down less than. This is the symbol of less than. Then here write down which one? Less than. Now here, this operator will check that whether value of x is less than y. If x has less value than y variable, then it will return the true value. Otherwise, it will return the false value. Now in this condition, x is not less than y. That's why it will return the false value. Check out output is equals to which one? False. Now I want to what use equality operators. So just write down print x double equal to, this is the equality operator, x double equal to y. Now this is called equality operator. Now this operator is used to compare the two variable for the equality value. If both variable, left hand side variable and right hand side variable, has same value, then it will return the true value. Otherwise it will return the false value. Now in this case, value of x is equals to 10 and value of y is equals to what? 2. Both values are not equal. That's why it will return the what? False value. Check out, it will return the false value. Now suppose if I make these two values same, so just write down 10 here, x is equals to 10 and y is equals to 10. Now check out what is the output of this expression. So just execute this one. Now check out output is equals to true. Means what? If you want to compare the two values and check that whether these two values are same or not, then we have to use what? Equality operator. Now two more operators I'm going to explain. So just remove this one. Here I don't print. Here I don't x is greater than or equal to what? Y. Okay, so that is the condition I want to check. So just write down x is greater than or equal to y. Now check out here. Here we can check two conditions, whether the value of x is greater than or equal to. Okay, in both condition, it will return what? True value. Suppose here I'm using only greater than, then what happened? Here I am checking condition x is greater than y. Now here x is not greater than y, because both values are same, then it will return what? False value. Check out here. But you want to check both condition, whether x value is greater than or equal to, then you have to use what? Equality operator. So greater than or equality, compound operator, you can say this is compound operator. So run this one, check out x is greater than or equal to y. Means what? This operator will return true value if the value of x is either greater than or equal to the value of y, then it will return the true value. Otherwise it will return the false value. Now same is applicable for another operator. So just copy this one, that is called less than or equal to. So this is also compound operator. So less than and equal to. So what is the meaning of this one? Less than equal to. If the value of x is less than or equal to the value of y, then this operator will return the true value. Otherwise it will return the false value. Now suppose here, check out here. Now both values are same, then it will return the true value. So these are called which one? Comparison operators. Now next group I want to explain, that it's called logical operator. Now what are the basic logical operators? So first basic logical operator is called AND operator, OR operator, and lastly, which one? NOT operator. Okay, so these are related to what? Logical gates inside digital electronics. So AND operator. So first of all, I'm going to explain AND operator. Now, remember this one, if you want to check more than one condition and you want to check whether both conditions are true or both conditions are false or one condition is true, means what? In short, you want to check multiple condition, and depending upon multiple condition output, you want to execute the code. Then we use which one? Your logical operators. So check out here, I'm going to declare two variable. Logical operator take either true value or false value. So y is equals to which one? Here I'm going to write down 2, that is called false. Now check out what example I'm taking here. I'm writing here x and y. Okay, so comma x and y. Okay, now check out here, what is the meaning of this one? If the value of x and y are true, then and then only complete expression is which one? True. Means in this example, the x must be true and y must be true. If both are true, then and then only output is which one? True. But here check out, x is true but y is false, so it will return which one? False value. Check out here, output is equals to which one? False. Means what? If we use AND operator, then both condition must be true, otherwise it will return the false value. Now in this case, x is true and y is what? False. That's why it is returning what? Output is equals to false. If I make it true, check out, now execute this one and you will get output is equals to true, because both expression has value is equals to true. Means what? In AND operator, if both values or both expression has true value, then and then only complete expression is which one? True. Okay, now take another example. Just copy this one and paste here. Instead of AND operator, use which one? OR operator. Okay, now here OR operator means what? Either what? One value or one expression is true, then complete expression is what? True. Means what? Meaning of OR operator is very simple. Either x or y or both are true, then and then only complete expression is true. Now in this example, x is true, y is false, only one is true, then complete expression is which one? True. Check out, output is equals to true. Means what? When we use OR operator, only one expression is true, then complete expression is what? True. Now one more operator is present, that is called NOT operator. So just write down here, I'm going to write down what? Not x. Okay, so just remove this one, write down here not x. So what is the not operator? Actually it will create the ones complement. Ones complement means what? If the value is true, then it is converted into what? False. If the value is false, then it is converted into true. Now check out, value of x is what right now? True. But here I am writing not x, so that is converted into which one? False. Check out this one. And if I write not y, write down here not y. Now check out, what is the value of y? False. Now it should be converted into which one? True. Check out, it is converted into true. So these are the three basic operators present inside which one? Python. Now I'm going to explain one more group, that is called membership operators. So I'm going to remove this one. Now there are two membership operator. First is called in and second is called which one? Not in. Okay, so what is exactly use of membership operators? So actually they are used to test whether a value is found in sequence. So like what are the sequence? Like string, list, tuple, set, these are the sequence. Now you want to check that particular value present inside the sequence or not. So check out example here. I'm writing here s1, that is the string variable. So here I'm writing hello world, for example. The value of the string variable is what? Hello world. Now I want to check whether particular character present inside which one? S1 variable or S1 what? String. So how to check that one? Check out print. Here I down h is h in, sorry, not is, h in what? S1. So this will return true value if h character present inside which one? S1 variable. Now check out hello world. H is present here. That's why it will return the true value. Check out, it will return the true value. Means output of membership operator is what? Either true value or false value. Suppose I copy this one, Control T. Here I write down X, for example. Now X character does not present inside which one? S1 string. So it will return the false value. Check out false. Now why output is false? Because this X character is not present inside this sequence. Now again, you want to check another condition, like exactly same, like you want to check whether that character not present inside which one? That sequence. For example, I want to check whether X is not in S1. Now definitely in this example, X is not present inside which one? S1. So this expression will return the true value. Check out, this expression return the true value. So in short, these membership operator are used to check that whether particular value present inside sequence or not. Sequence like string, tuple, list, or set. Okay, so these are the basic operators present inside which one? Python.